Hey, welcome back, everybody. I am MooseTheGimp. You've been watching MooseTheGimp. We're back for another exciting, super stupendous episode of MooseTheGimp. This is a very special episode because I want to tell you just a little bit of brief story. About 6 months ago, I was here in my living room and I tried to get up and I fell. I was using my walker, but I lost my balance and I fell. Basically, fell without any protection. I didn't hit anything on the way down. It was just me and dead weight onto the kitchen floor, and lo and behold, I fractured my hip. I was in the hospital for 2 weeks and had wound care for the last 5 months as a result of it. So, as a result of that incident, the MooseTheGimp said to himself, what would MooseTheGimp need in this kind of situation? Well, I got a life alert badge. I resisted getting one of these devices for a long time because of my age. I'm at the age where I'm, needing this, but you know what? I am needing it. And it really doesn't matter what your age you are. If you need it, you need to get it. So, through a local agency, I was able to get a device. I whittled it down. There's many, many, many options out there available. Some of them have GPS, some have Wi-Fi, some work through a home telephone, some work through a cellular line. But I decided to go with all the bells and whistles. And what I decided on was this guy. It's by Active Guardian. It's by Medical Guardian. See the Guardian on the top. I'm not sponsoring this, so don't worry. This is my own device, Medical Guardian, and their active device, which is basically their top of the line product. It has GPS, Wi-Fi, and most importantly, fall detection. So if you're by yourself and you fall, it will activate and will call the agency and get a paramedic to you. So this is where I'm at. So what I'm going to do, I got this device just a couple days ago, and I'm going to activate it for the first time. This is it. It's about this is the active device for Medical Guardian. It's about, I would guess, just about 2 ounces. It's a little bit larger than I was hoping for, but if this is around your neck, I don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. So they give you the box. This is not an unboxing, but I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with this little instruction book, and the instruction book says to press the button for 2 seconds and for the first time, and someone will call, and when they answer, to activate it, you say, I'm just testing. So let's just try it for the first time. I'm going to have the device. I'm going to hold it for 2 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds. The blue light comes on. It's ringing. Oh, it's ringing. It works through cellular service, AT&T.
Connecting to emergency operator. Connecting to emergency operator. Connecting to emergency operator.
It's still connecting.
Connecting to emergency operator. Connecting to emergency operator.
This is Norena with Medical Guardian. Do you need help?
This is just a test of my device for the first time. It is.
And you said testing, is that right?
Yes, I'm just testing. There's no emergency.
Okay. I just need to verify. Are you at home right now?
I am. Yes, I am at home.
Okay, we have that address. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. right, well, it's been a pleasure. If you do need any help, just press your button for us, okay?
Okay, so how does the device disconnect?
I will go ahead and disconnect it for you. You don't have to press anything.
Oh, you don't press anything. Okay, so after I hang up with you, it's ready to go, and just in case something happens.
Yep, that's right. As soon as I disconnect, it should go ahead and clear. So if you needed anything, you could press the button again.
Okay, well, thank you for your help, ma'am. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
Of course. Thanks for choosing Medical Guardian, and you have a good night.
You too. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
This is a blue light. The blue light. Oh, there it went. It went off. Okay, so there you go. So the device is working. It's active now. I can wear this anywhere. I think the great thing about this device, and again, I'm not being paid for this, is it's got GPS and Wi-Fi in it. So anywhere you have an AT&T wireless cellular tower, which is most of the country. I mean, I can't, I live in the greater Los Angeles area. I can't imagine anywhere in the country that doesn't have AT&T. But if you don't, you may want to buy another service. But this one works with AT&T everywhere, and it has GPS, so it knows where you are, exactly where you are. So what that means is if you are let's say you're at the park, or you are at Disneyland, or wherever, right? You're at Knott's Berry Farm. It will tell you. It will tell the service. If you press this button, it'll tell the operator exactly where you are. It knows exactly where you are. So I think this device is pretty cool. I mean, the technology is awesome. I hope I don't ever have to use it, but it's nice to have it, especially after the fall that I took several months ago. It was pretty hairy. I fractured my hip, and my hip. Both of them have been replaced already, so it was a bummer. I thought I would have to have hip replacement, but thankfully I didn't, and I got a big wound on my leg that took 5.5 months to heal. So just a little fall like that can be a major disaster for anyone. Doesn't matter what age you are. I may be talking to a lot of people who are much older than me, but hey, if you need this kind of thing, then get it. I would highly suggest it. It's this service, this Active Guardian, which is again the high end service from Medical Guardian. I believe it's $29.95 a month. I do have a service that's paying for it for a year, but I do believe it's $29.95 a month or $19.95 a month. So put that in your budget, but it's well worth it. It's well worth it just for the for the peace of mind of having a device. I'm not suggesting this one per se, but there's other ones out there that can help you. And hey, if that's something for you, you should get it. So thanks for watching again. This episode, as always, is brought to you by this book right here. Godballers, the greatest sports story ever told. And the question of the day is, do you wear a medical alert device? Pretty easy question, right? Tell me yes or no. Do you wear a medical alert device around your neck or on your waist or whatever? I love to hear from you. I love to hear if it's one way or the other. Thanks for watching. I am Moose the Gimp. You've been watching Moose the Gimp. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.